guys, when I first opened this wig, I was like, yo, this is a bomb wig, mainly because the hairline, you guys can't see right now, that's a try on. This is this wig straight out the box. This is how I want my wigs to come. I want to be able to put it on my head and I look good. So this is straight out the box. Yeah, I mean, I don't really have much else to say. This is straight out the freaking box, as you guys can see. It does have a silk cap underneath, so if I pull it back, you can kind of see where this silk cap starts. But I normally have my lace frontals a little bit up. Anyways, I probably would pluck a little bit more of the hairline, but the hairline looks really nice, but I'll pluck a little bit more. So me pulling it up, it's like the perfect freaking part. This is my new straight wig. Y'all, like, this wig looks bomb straight out the box. I thought I was gonna have to take it to my hairstylist, but girl, no. Look at this. No. They are on it with the wigs. Straight out the box. Lace hasn't even been cutting off. What is going on? Ooh. Ooh, straight out the box, I can just put it on? You're lying. You're lying. You're lying. Oh, yes. Period. Period. It's full. It's not thin. I really like the density. Girl, stop playing. As you guys can see, I'm just in my bathroom. I was about to do my hair, wanted to put on the wig because I was thinking, oh, I'm gonna have to pluck and wash and all this, and maybe I just need to take it to my stylist. I literally hit her up and was like, oh, I think I'm gonna come to the salon today. No need, because this is bomb. So this is hair from Hairvivi. The hairline of this wig is pre-plucked, knots are pre-bleached, an elastic band is pre-sewn, which requires no customization, no wig cap underneath. With this wig, all you have to do is cut the lace, no extra work needed. Glue is not necessary. Multi-directional parting can be achieved. And God, I think this wig is bomb. Okay, it's even flat. They even made the middle part straight. It's flat. The hairline isn't bulky. It isn't thin. They didn't lie. You know, they did not lie at all. At all. I'm like so amazed. Like, you know, we be wanting bomb wigs. We really want our wigs to come like this when we get it. When I pay for a wig, this is how I want it to arrive to me. Okay, I don't want to have to do no work. None at all. Why I gotta do all that work? I don't want to do all that work. You're lying that it's not necessary, that I can just buy a wig and it just come like this and I don't have to bleach it and do all of that. Girl, you need this. You need it. Go ahead and just, girl, you need this. Go ahead and click the link in the description box. Put it in your, send it to your boyfriend. Send it to whoever that need to get it for you. Cause girl, y'all already know this one look good. Okay, so I'm about to cut the lace off. I'm like so in love with this wig. So in love. Alright guys, with this wig, I simply just didn't want to cheat. I really wanted you guys to see what this wig looked like if I just cut the lace off and didn't do anything to the unit and just put it on my head with the lace cut off. I mean, you guys already saw that it looked really, really good. And this is what she looks like, you know, just on. I just cut the lace and I'm ready to go out the door. From purchase to out the door. So if you're interested in a wig like this, I 100% recommend it. Click the link in the description box. But I mean, it speaks for itself. You guys see, if you're someone that doesn't really know much about bleaching and plucking and trying to get your wig to look right, you just can't get it to look right, definitely recommend this company. The only thing I would say that I would do is probably get a hot comb and hot comb this a little bit flatter on this side, but that's just, you know, the wig being in the box. But you guys probably don't even know what I'm talking about. But you know, you wig wearers know, like, it just being really flat. Or you can just use your scarf, tie it down so that it's flatter. But this is bomb calm. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. 100%. I love it. Like, it's everything. So I'm flying to LA in the morning, girl. This is the wig that I'm bringing. This is going to be my little go-to in LA. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.